What's up, guys? I got the Arrma Infraction 6. What I did to this, I added 6S, still 6S, because I really not a speed guy too much. But I added the Mamba XL 6S system, the combo. And what I'm doing today, because I haven't tested this car yet, and this is my first day testing her, see how she moved with this setup on here. It's most likely gonna be good. And we're gonna see what she can do. I got these grippers on here. I ain't doing the speed test. I'm just testing her out today. That bumper is scraping the ground crazy. Oh yeah, she is a beast. Let's see if I can do it. Damn it, that's not what I wanted. Seems like the yep, it's all the way down. Seems like the stand trim is all the way down. What the heck is going on with this thing?
Well done.
Got a monster inside of me, you better watch out. If your enemy's a road ahead of full prophecy to be the greatest beast the world has ever seen. I feed him every day like the bones clean. I feed him all the hate and he grows me, and he gets scars for a big pissed off quick. And if you cross him, you might drop dead. Metaphorically, of course, settling this war, never getting bored, loves the blood and gore, always wanting more, freedom from the source. They don't really understand until they feel the force departed. If you start shit, you'll be heartless in the darkness, torn apart quick, you left scars ripped, you'll be chewed up and discarded. And this world ain't right, won't accept it. Negative energy, I expect it. Once it's in your mind, it's infectious. So fight for your life and reject it. You better give me space, I'm protected. My adrenaline spikes when I'm threatened. And if you stay in my way, I'm aggressive. Cause when there's no exit, I'll kill when I'm desperate. Adrenaline pressure, it's stormy weather, lightning, thunder, pouring weather. Yo, I'm a go-getter, try to do it like me, but I do it better. I got a mind that's clever, the beast inside is competitive as ever. I'm conscious, my subconscious, an accomplice to me. I promise the darkness I can honestly, but don't cross me, I'm lose control of the lost beast. He's locked away inside with the key controlled by fight or flight.
And this world ain't right, won't accept it. Negative energy, I expect it. Once it's in your mind, it's infectious. So fight for your life and reject it. You better give me space, I'm protective. My adrenaline spikes when I'm threatened. And if you stay in my way, I'm aggressive. Cause when there's no legs, it'll kill when I'm desperate.
Let me check them temps real quick. Be right back. I'm gonna check them temps to the motor. Is let's see what that is. That's 160. ESC is at 89. If you can see that. Batteries are said 106, 106. Let's see what this one is. $86. Yeah, that motor kind of hot because I don't got a fan on it. I'm gonna let it cool off. But you know, this I'm calling it a day. Tell me what y'all think. What gear am I running in here? I'm on a 22 pinion factory spur. I was thinking about putting a spool in here. You know, this is the system I got in here. Got the castle hook on. What size motor is this? The 2200 kV motor. What I got in here. And the sensor. Yeah, that's my quick little run of this car. You know, the GRPs are done. But hope you enjoyed that video. Hit that like button, hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'm out.
Well done. Excellent.